Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to upload photos or videos in your Twitter account. Make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Twitter account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Twitter app. Here I go. Now at the bottom right corner you can see that plus icon, tap on that. Now here you can see different options in the middle section as photos, gifs, polls. Tap on photos option. Now you can choose up to 4 photos to upload. Here I will be choosing 2 photos. After you are done, tap on add at the top right corner. Now here I will be writing something cool fits. Now I will be tapping on tweet at the top right corner. You can see that notification your tweet was sent. Now again I will be tapping on plus icon. Now same goes for videos. Here I will be choosing one video. Now I will be writing something about this video. Now I will be tapping on tweet at the top right corner. In this way, you can easily upload photos or videos in your Twitter account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.